Hello guys, the Arduino inside the box with Nokia LCD is gone. As you can see, the LCD working properly well with 3.7 volt battery inside, and also the push button unboxing. As you can see, everything inside: charger, push buttons, the pin headers to connect the sensors, on and off key, and also it would be much better to use with the USB connector, because of when you box the project, it's very hard to connect wires with the jumper to the programmer, and it is easy to connect the USB. But I did not open any hole or connection for the terminal to connect the USB when the device gonna to program need to open the door. For the test plan, I upload the code to show exactly the LCD and push button working very well, the charger, connector, and the pin headers. Thank you very much.